Welcome back to my detox routine. Nothing is more detoxing than cleaning the house. Having a clean home is something that detoxes my mind. As for my body, I like to wake up with a nice cup of lemon tea. I am hooked on David's tea. There's something about it, it's just perfect, and all you need is 2 to 3 scoops. It really depends on how deep you want your tea to be. For this particular flavor, it tastes like raspberry and lemon, but I really like the lemony taste, so I'm going to boost it by cutting up some more lemon. This particular flavor is no longer sold in store, but I'm pretty sure if you look for it on Amazon, you'll be able to find it. You know what? Better yet, if I can find it on Amazon, I will link it down below, as well as everything I'm using in this video. And while this is being brewed, I'm going to go ahead and cut the rest of these citrus fruits such as lemon, orange, and lime. Here's a few things that I use lemon for, and I'm not going to show all of them on camera, but I will briefly talk about it while I'm slicing. Firstly, let's talk about the nails. If your nails is yellow, cut a lemon in half and just clean your nails with it. It will help brighten them up and return them to its beautiful pink flush. Here's 2 wedge, and I pour the tea in and I'm going to enjoy. After enjoying my tea, I'm gonna go back and cut some more lemon. For the detox bath, you want to use as many citrus fruit as you want. I'm using lemon, lime. I'm also using pomelo as well as oranges. Okay, now that I'm done cutting up all the fruit, I'm going to go ahead and do a DIY face scrub. And for this, you'll need lemon, honey, baking soda. Scrub your face well and then wash it off. Now that is off, I'm going to next use this toning lotion by CURRENTLY. When choosing the toner, don't forget to choose one that are alcohol-free, because using any toner with alcohol will age you over time. And we're trying to preserve our beauty for as long as possible, ladies. Now that I am toned, I'm now going to apply a face mask. This is the ceramic face mask that I got from Cᴏ Beauty. They offer premium quality and carefully curated green sheet masks in boxes. The boxes work with most skin type and are catered toward people who are beauty and skincare obsessed, such as me. You can subscribe to a box with the option to receive the box every 1, 2, or 3 months. It's really up to you, or you can purchase the boxes without subscribing. So this way you never feel tied down. And here's what's in my box, and honestly, I love every single product. I have used a few of them already, so I can tell you now, they are to die for. And I love things that are collagen or ceramide, and today I'll be using this one. It is the Vital Collagen by Ceramatic. I love their product, and I know you will too. So I've linked their links down below. Don't forget to check them out. I'm just gonna throw on my mask and get some more cleaning done. And as always, don't forget to read the instruction carefully. Some face masks you do have to tone before, some you do not. And some face masks, after you pull it out, you rub the serum into your skin, and time you have to wash it off. And for my face mask, I'm supposed to wash it off. After I'm done washing it off, I'm now going to dye my eyebrows. For the product, I actually got this product off of Amazon. It's called 1000 Hour. The color that I'm using is blue black, and honestly there's so many different shades, so you might want to check that out. Follow the instruction and develop everything carefully. And now it's time to draw it on. If you're someone who does not do well in drawing on your eyebrow, I highly suggest outlining the part where you don't want to dye with some Vaseline. For me, I've done this so many times, I know how I want my eyebrows to be, so I'm just going to freehand it on. And I know it looked crazy black, but no, it doesn't stay that dark, so I'm really not that afraid. But after remember, I like my eyebrow dark, so I leave mine on for much longer than the required time. Please follow the instruction. Like I said, I like my eyebrow dark. I have black hair. If you have blonde hair, take your time, you know, after 2 minutes, take it off. You can always apply more on just so you can get the right shade. And when you do this, make sure you do the back part of your eyebrow first and then work on the front, because you don't want a blotchy, all like one Sharpie marker kind of eyebrow. You want to make sure it look kind of ombre like. With my eyebrows done, I'm feeling really good, so I'm going to put on some makeup and do some review. This review will come very soon, you guys, and this is how I look today. So now that I'm feeling myself, I'm gonna go ahead and pose for the camera, and this is how this lens look. It is so beautiful. All 3 floors are swept and mopped. Everything is in order. The whole house is clean. Now that it's 6 p.m., my husband is going to be babysitting the children for me to take my sister Erica out for her 20th birthday.
Dude, I'm still ugly.
I'm not getting your face in it, okay?
Okay. So hot in here, must be because it's
Oh my god, I can't deal. It's so good I haven't eaten yet, or else I would have puked. Go straight for the can be my biggest secret. I ain't sliding before I got morals on Sundays. Oh, angry driver. Cheers to Erica turning 20, Lily. Sucks to be 20.
But Erica doesn't even drink.
That's true, she doesn't drink.
I'm not sure that some, for the omakase, that depends on the chef, but some items, they cannot take it off from the omakase.
Camera.
I grab something for you.
I love this thing the most.
Me, 2 for sister, Thai tea for the baby.
They call namjim gel. That's like a spicy sauce. I'm not sure you have it before.
I'm not sure either.
No, guys.
The perfect image.
It's so. There is an actual quail egg on the very top, bro.
It's not quail. It's a goji berry.
What areas did you put of interest? Like 3 areas? There were like 5 areas.
I had actually an idea yesterday, but it was more like
Oh, this is the Erica, you like this one, didn't you? So good.
I thought once the birthday was
That beef is too spicy.
and I started doing this, but then I'm yesterday I thought it would be so nice to have like a one outside the work with more QR code. We scan it, dive, so we can get pictures.
Wow, so pretty.
But what you could also do is having a map with QR code.
Happy birthday!
Birthday girl!
Tutorial, I love tutorial.
There can be on the gingers, and then blush orange, and then grape seed. Yes, Louis?
Yeah.
Wait, hold on. I want to get another.
No, smoke a little bit. No. I
Vlog your life, vlog your life.
so that he doesn't realize that, you know, we did everything.
Wow.
Wow. Happy birthday! Yeah, 3 coconuts.
Okay.
Okay. Toro? Oh.
Yes, come with brush oil inside, with the truffle oils, and then the caviar on the top.
You look so pretty.
Thank you.
Look at you looking all 20 and beautiful. My precious. To you. Happy birthday, dear Erica. Happy birthday to you. And many more.
Thank you.
Yeah, well.
Get a picture.
I'm recording. Yeah, she looked cute in the video, so it doesn't matter.
You gotta get a picture.
After that huge dinner, it is time to go home and soak myself. This is the main reason why I stay so light. I do this twice a month, and all it is just cut up citrus fruit. I run it in some warm water, and then I soak myself in it for 15 to 20 minutes. But that is just the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being a subscriber. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button. If you've been here since day one, don't forget to hit that bell notification to turn it on. I'm going to enjoy the rest of my night. Thank you so much for being here. Xin chào. If you guys haven't yet seen these other video or you have missed it, I have linked it on the video as well as down below.